Today, we're excited to showcase our new AC10 Mini Candy Depositor, a superior alternative to manual gummy production. Offering unmatched precision and efficiency, bidding farewell to inaccuracies and messy depositing. This small but mighty powerhouse deposits up to 9,000 pieces per hour with just one operator. Compatible with gelatin, gummies, candy, and chocolate, you can program up to 60 different recipes through its user-friendly touchscreen interface. With its customizable heating options and volume dispense settings, you can ensure seamless compatibility with various tray types, making recipe setup a breeze. The multi-nozzle depositor allows you to deposit 10 gummies in a single shot. Create delectable treats with this versatile candy depositor. Our local technical support team is just a call away for any assistance you may need. Visit our website to learn more and join the future of candy depositing today.